tiny reviewer. Burrata, fresh mozzarella cheese filled with cream. If you guys know the pizza with the prosciutto, arugula, the flatbread, and the burrata cheese, link above, not below. Perishable, keep refrigerated, from Trader Joe's. Thankfully, it's not Trader Joe's though, like I thought it would be, since it looks like it's from Italia. Perfect for sandwiches. Something, I see some runniness. Something's inside. Perfect for sandwiches, pizza, and caprese salads. Nutrition facts and ingredients. Trader Joe's Monrovia. It doesn't say where it came from. Yeah. So let's now open it. The price is $4.99. Let's open it. I guess. I don't want it to go flying everywhere. Almost done. I got it. Open slowly all around the lid. I just had it at school, so I'm very hungry right now. It's 11:30. There you go. Okay, I thought it was a wrapper. I thought it was really a bubble inside, but thankfully it's not. So something was wiggling inside. Told you. Now let's ask my dad to open this part. So my father kind of dumped out some of this liquid because it was like really up to the rim. So he threw it away at the sink. So these are the two balls. Let's cut it up and see if the burrata, because it's mozzarella and inside it's cream. So let's see if the cream really pours out, because that's the point of burrata cheese. Dun dun dun. It's kind of like squishy. That's cheese. I'm gonna cut it in half slowly. I want to see the liquid come out. Or just poke it. Very soft indeed. Oh no, I think it's gonna explode. Told you it will explode. Let's cut it. That's the burrata cheese. And the outside's the mozzarella. So let's dump this on a salad, I guess. I mean, I'm not gonna eat this whole ball because it's a bit big. I'm gonna kind of eat a fourth of this thing. Let's see if I can cut it. So, if you guys recognize the tomatoes, I reviewed that, link above. The chicken, as you know, link above. I uploaded recently. And these baby veggies are just from Costco. These are really good. Just eat it quickly because it might get wilted. Because it's baby. So just pick one that you like. Burrata cheese right here. The baby spring mix is delicious. I just ate this is a spinach probably. So I'm just gonna try a bite. Spear it through my fork. I got a chicken too. I might add some nuts before I eat this thing. But anyways, and squeeze out tomato. So the one that I got speared through, the spinach and the tomatoes and the chicken, I just ate it because it's a cheese review, not a salad review. So that's the cheese with a bit of, I'm not sure, I believe it's a purple lettuce. So right now I'm only eating the cheese, so it's a burrata cheese. I mean, I taste burrata. So it's creamy on the inside because obviously there is cream in the inside of the mozzarella. Very, very chewy. I mean, the little skin, the one that's like a dumpling, the little outside mozzarella, the mozzarella part. Bit of gooiness. People who like cheese with their salad will be like in heaven right now. Cheese heaven. But me personally, I just like the salad itself with the one from New Zealand. So that cheese, we kind of broke it apart into small, about this size pieces, and we just dumped it inside. I'm not really a fan of salad, but when I tasted this one mouthful, I'm like, how can this mixture of chicken, tomatoes, and baby, the spring mix be so delicious? I mean, I want to eat it every day. So I recommend you guys to try it. The spring mix and any other dressings you guys prefer, fruits, tomatoes, anything. You guys can also make a fruit salad, which is what I prefer most because I like fruits better than more of a veggie. So this, on the other hand, is my father's salad. The burrata cheese is everywhere. Now let me take the camera really quick. So let's see. So this is my father's, and right next to it is mine. See the difference? Let me up like that. There you go. The last one coming to my mouth. Anyways, subscribe and press the like button. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.